Okay, it's a fucking blizzard out there. I picked a really great day to go get my hair cut. Check out this guy. Driving his little fucking car thing out there. Let's go look. Why does it not look as bad on camera? It's fucking shitty out here. Oh, there's a creepy dude walking. It seriously is really crappy out here. It's like dumping snow and it's really windy. Yeah, it really sucks. Just look at my feet and all this snow. And Alex is barking. Alex! Don't go bye-bye. Don't go bye-bye. You gotta get your coat on though. Let's get your coat on. Where's your coat? Here it is. Come here. Yeah, you gotta get your coat on. Stay warm. Stay warm out there. There. Alex is ready to go. Are you ready to go? Okay, we're going now.